Good morning. This is Karthikeyan Ramanathan, Senior Vice President of Zebu Share and Wealth Management Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss one of the most important and interesting thing in the stock market. So from the beginning, maximum clients is asking one repeated way. So how to use the research calls or maximum research calls is fails. People are saying like this because the maximum research call at the end of the day, maximum research analyst giving the strike rate around nearly 60% to 70%, 80%. Maximum is 90-95%. So based on the call's performance. But the one thing the client is fails to do repeatedly. So because the client not following all research calls with the same time or all research calls by during their monthly or yearly or but what like that. So people what based on the duration of this calls providing kind of thing. Okay. So there are 4-5 main parameters there to follow the research calls. So these are the steps should be mandatorily followed. Then only you can make good profit based on the research calls. So because research calls is eliminating our risk to compare with the normal trading scenario, so that each and every analyst having a different view and then they are analyzing with market with a different parameter and different tools. So each and analysis is separate and unique. So as a client we have to follow all calls without any mistakes. So the first thing we have to follow, stay focused on the particular research calls. If you are a businessman or if you are some industrialist or if you are an employee, you should focus on these research calls. The first thing, the research call time is most important. So whenever the research call comes, your execution time should be on same time, same second, within or 2 to 3, maximum 2 to 3 seconds you have to start executing the research calls, or else you need to monitor the calls immediately. Okay, then you can take a decision whether you have to take a call or you have to reject the call. First thing. Another one, the follow any one research analyst. Maximum in industry there are lot of research analysts there. So as a clients, we have to follow one research analyst and then we can start executing their calls as a simultaneously as a systematic process. So as a investor, as a trader, whatever may be. So maybe some personal call also, some trading calls also not there. It's different. Okay. So as an investor or trader, we have to follow all calls. We don't reject any calls based on our choice. So if you want to follow the research calls and analyst calls, and then you have to apply all calls. If you are not capable to do that, you don't choose the research calls at any point of time. Okay, you have to start by their own analysis or you have to start by your individual analyzation capacity. Another one, apply all calls. For example, if the per day as an investor, as a trader, you have received nearly 4 to 5 research calls. You have to apply all research calls. Then only you can make a good strike rate at the end of the day. So maybe one day may be fail, or another one day may be succeed, or another one day may be is a fail. So put together as a monthly end, for the maximum if you would apply nearly 40 to 50 research calls, you will be ended up with a good strike rate. So you have to follow all research calls without any fail by this condition. The fourth one, before we executing the research call, we have to get a proper analysis about a margin requirement of the all calls. For example, if the research analyst can give nearly 5 to 6 calls per day, okay, the total margin utilization of all calls would be around nearly 3.5 lakh or 3 lakh or maybe 2 lakh, whatever may be, based on the research calls. If the people following only for the bank nifty or nifty option buying, the maximum margin requirement would be around nearly 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh. This is maximum. If the people have this margin, you can start executing all calls based on that bank nifty option and nifty option. If you are a commodity trader, based on the commodity margin, you can allocate your portfolio. So if you want to follow equity calls, commodity calls and currency calls and all calls from the research analyst, you have to calculate your margin requirement. What are the margin requirement as per the analyst says, you have to follow with that without any fail. So if you have a good margin strike, for example, if you have a sufficient margin for all kind of thing, for you are capable to execute all kind of research calls, then you can start executing your orders without any fail. So if you receive 5 to 6 calls per day, you have to execute 100% of all calls. So maybe one call may fail, another 2 calls may fail, the rest of the 3 calls will be succeeded. Now you will be ended up with the profit. So you should follow the strict stop loss and target as per the research analyst said. So these are the parameter you have to follow. Only you have to follow the research calls. Then only you will be get a good strike rate, and then you will be succeeded in this financial market. So stay tuned. We'll share the information like this. We should have a happy trading. Thank you so much.